Originally Community speaking, Caribbean Elite magazine. You can purchase your copy now. Jamaican greatest artist of all time. Andy Ballentine, one of Jamaican greatest artists. Vybz Kartel, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer. It said, Molo, 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 molo. How do you know dance? Move your foot then. Molo walk and molo wine and molo juke and Caribbean Elite. Purchase your copy now.
Caribbean Elite Magazine 2019 present Kings of Dancehall, Beenie Man, Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer. Caribbean Elite Magazine 2019 present Andy Ballentine, Jamaican great visual art artist. For more information, purchase a copy or visit www.caribbeanelite.com.
Yo, this is not tongue and teeth. This is about Caribbean Elite magazine. Check it out right now. And you may say Andy Ballentine is the first Jamaican visual artist. So may I say it's not about tongue and teeth, it's all about Caribbean Elite. www.caribbean. Check it out.
Andy Ballentine is one of the Jamaican first visual art artists to be featured in the Caribbean Elite magazine, which is a huge thing for the artists and other artists in Jamaica. Caribbean Elite magazine featuring Andy Ballentine. The artist said to be featured in Caribbean Elite magazine is a milestone for his career, and he has been grateful to be featured in the magazine.
Caribbean Elite magazine. Caribbean Elite magazine with your Julie and the Ballentine, Bounty Killer, Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel. Purchase your copy. Caribbean Elite.
Yo man, just go to www.caribbeanelite.com.
Boy, this is dancing time. The girls them call me, say they're ready for wine. Caribbean Elite magazine. Purchase your copy.
If you like this video, please leave a comment, a like, or subscribe.